Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you therefore button craft ideas. So I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today's video, friends. So first idea is viewers. Button flower art. Let's make a cute button flowers. Take colorful buttons, arrange them like a flowers, glue them on paper, and stain with a marker. Simple and beautiful button tree wall art. Make a lovely tree art. Draw a tree on paper. Use button as leaves. Glue them carefully. Your wall art is ready. Button bracelet and viewers, make a fun button bracelet. Take a thread or elastic, add colorful button, tie it nicely, easy and stylish. And viewers, next video is viewers. Button photo frame. Decorate your photo frame. Take a simple frame, glue a button around it, mix color and size. Now it looks so pretty. So viewers, and viewers, next video is viewers. Button bookmark. Make a cute bookmark. Take a paper clip, glue a button on top, let it dry. Now mark your page style. So I hope viewers you like my videos.